Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial is I am going to show you how to create a fully functional booking website, which is we are going to use the Squarespace. So here, whether you are running a salon, fitness coaching business, consulting firm, or any service-based business, having an easy-to-use booking system is essential. And the best part here is you don't need any coding experience. So the first thing you need to do here is, of course, um, go to the squarespace.com and then click get started and sign up for a free account. And in here, guys, they will ask you what's your site about. This helps us guide your experience. So here you can search here depending on you. You can select appointment and services as your website type, or you can choose here depending on you consulting. So you'll be directed to this one. So I'm gonna choose here business services, and then also they will ask you what do you want to do with your website. Here you can select sell products, get appointments, sell services depending on you guys. So you can also promote an event or project, sell memberships, or sell online courses. So here I'm gonna choose get appointments or offer a contact form. In here, you can choose a build a custom website guided by Squarespace or choose from a created site, which is their templates. So here you can browse through the available templates and choose one that supports booking functionalities. So popular ones include service-based business templates here, guys. So depending on you guys, you can also see here what kind of type or you can also choose a topic depending on you in the left part, guys. So here I'm trying to choose this one. So here, guys, you can select a color presets here depending on you. So here you can continue to customize styles, add features, and more when you start a trial. So what you're gonna do here is right after you choose a color, you just need to tap on the start with this design. So I'm having a hard time choosing this color in this one, guys. So tap on this one, the start with this design, and then right after that one is you are going to continue with your Google account. So make sure, guys, that before you decide, guys, make sure to log into your account. So here, guys, you need to enter a name for your site and then tap continue to learn how we can help you sell on your Squarespace. For example, that one is the Kai Learn, and then continue. You can access a variety of specialized tools to help you sell anything, including here, and then you just need to tap the continue button and then get started. And here, guys, you'll be able to see here the Kai Learn, and here is the result, guys. So what we're gonna do here is to look for the edit button so we can now start editing this website. So in the left part, guys, at the top you can see here the edit button. You just need to tap on that one, and then here, guys, right after that one, you can now customize your website. Click on the text boxes to edit your business name and then the tagline. You can also upload a logo by clicking on the header and selecting add logo. You can also change the hero image to a high quality photo that represents your business. But in this tutorial, guys, I'm just gonna use a stock images from this website. But in your case, guys, you need to use your own image, guys. So right after this one, guys, I'm just gonna search for learning and then change this one into this one. So you just need to wait for a little bit, and then here you'll be able to see here. So right after that one, guys, you can add a link here. So here you can edit this one, like you can crop it or adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, depending on you guys, and they will ask you if you want to save your changes. So you can tap on the save one, and then here, guys, you will be able to see here. So maybe you want to launch a business. So here you can add here a description about your website, which is the about page. And below on this one, guys, is you can add here a call to action button like book an appointment or schedule a session. So before that one, guys, I'm gonna change this one. So I'm gonna write a description here about my website. So this one is an innovative online learning platform designed to empower individuals with the knowledge and skills they need to thrive in today's fast-paced world. So here, guys, I'm gonna add here a call to action button, but I'm just gonna edit this one. Tap on this one, and here you can edit the link. So here, guys, you can add a link here depending on you. So here, book a consultation is good. And then right after that one, guys, you can also go to the service page, which is you can add page and name its services and click done. So here you can list your services depending on you what kind of services you offer, guys. Make sure, guys, by choosing a image, guys, use a high quality images, and then make a brief descriptions and pricing information for each service. So by setting up the booking system, guys, need to go to the settings and select scheduling. Click start with acuity scheduling. So here, guys, as you can see here, which is the booking form. I'm gonna add here this one. So right after that one, guys, is what we need to do here is you can also arrange depending on you, guys. So here, guys, on the call to action button, I'm gonna add a link there. So right after that one, I'm just gonna save it. And so make sure, guys, that you add all the important details about your website. Then after that one, you're just gonna wait for the view site button here. So what I'm gonna do here is also, guys, make sure, guys, in the mobile view, guys, ensure text, buttons, and image display properly on the mobile devices. You can click settings, guys, and then enter your website title, description, and keywords like online booking. So here, guys, when we view this one, guys, we will be able to see here, which is what we added a while ago. So here in the mobile view or the PC view. So here I'm gonna preview my site. So that's it, guys. You will now have a fully functional booking website on this Squarespace. So your clients can easily schedule appointments and you can manage everything seamlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions. So as you can see here, guys, I'm trying to write my name so it works. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Make sure, guys, to follow me and like this video and add a comment feedback on the comment section. See you in my next video and goodbye. Bye, guys.